No, bakit? Ha? You want to go? Oh, what's the problem? Huh? Where? What? They will come back soon. They're having breakfast outside only. You know? Balik-balik siya, guys. Okay, you go la. Open the door, ah. You go by yourself, ah. Okay? Bye-bye. Go la. Go. Gusto niya umalis, guys. Umahabol siya sa amo ko. Para tong bata, eh. Ay, Brody, don't... Look at the tail. Ayan. Doon sa pinto. Kala niya makakaalis siya, eh. Wah! Ano? Can't go out, right? Haha!